Sanibonani Ninjani, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we are speaking about Umakhi, the Sishwapa queen from Mpumalanga. So Umakhi posted this video crying and not saying anything, and she was live. Eventually then she spoke, saying that she's crying because her helper, who is 38 years old, ulale nengane yakhe ena 14 years old yomfana, and according to Umakhi ngathi into ebingaqala ukwenzeka, and yena she was not aware, therefore she is blaming herself. Umakhi une-cleaner ke elimsebenzelayo kwakhe, and uney'ngane zakhe eziwu-3 zabafana zonke, leningi ngathi isitabanyana, and then leningi zihlezi zithwele eziwu-2 azithanda ukuvela kwe-camera, but zike zivele kancane. And Umakhi posted them. We all know Umakhi ukuthi she was one of the top paid content creators before her account was hacked, ithenga iphone and all of those things, because siyamazi nje ukuthi nje yabo bekabhizi, mekahola athenga utshwala, azule, athenga imoto nama-boyfriend ngapha nangapha. So vele akanaso isikhathi sokuhlala ney'ngane endlini, therefore ubeyishiya kakhulu, and then waseyitholela nonenike ngoba eyitshela phela ukuthi zisafe andonini, kanti akazi-ke umogela ukuthi uma ngabe ngekho ehambile or whatever, isikhashanyana engekho, lo mama wenza lokhu kule ngane. She's not telling us the story though, ukuthi how did she find out that the son eventually speak, or it was an arrangement with i-cleaner nengane, and i-cleaner beyiforce ingane, or nje asazi. But ke seeing knowing Umakhi qali lo mntana yakhe la khuluma ngaye akathanda ukukhuluma, the other two abafani nalo omncane ambiza ngomzala ohlezi khuluma and abenza naye content. The other two abayenzi content, and the older one doesn't speak that much. Ongenzeka mhlawumbe ukuthi ubethula ngoba uyahlukumezeka or what, but it get worse, ne? Umakhi then goes as far as saying bathelela transfer izifo zabo ey'nganeni. Now Umakhi is implying that ukuthi helper uyagula, so megula ke phela for sure unalesifo lesi. It's a bit shame. It's yeah, it's not a nice thing to hear and to know, especially if it's done by umuntu wesifazane. Asisho ukuthi abesilisa kuvumelekile ngoba we find abantu besilisa vele betshola ney'ngane ey'ncane, which has become a norm, not ukuthi it's allowed. Understand, it's a norm, but it's not allowed. Now a 38-year-old with a 14-year-old, that's like 20 years difference. Yeah, they 20 something difference. Yes, a man can date a child that is where there's not a child. A man can date umuntu wesifazane abane difference at 20 years, right? It happens, we know, we've seen those things, but it's something else for ingane na 14 years. Iyacabanga ukuthi mayiphinde bethini itotolozi lengane people lengane ukuthi nganqanqana and izinto ingane ebezinzisa yona ibithanda nayo owathi bivuma. I don't know, but my kid is going through a lot, Shem, and we can't officially say ukuthi hayi oyako bakhe akawuqedi kahle because atulahlele account wakhe wonke ama-account awazamayo cha Shem akuze kahle. So therefore payments was akanayo imali because she always been saying I'm a meta baby. Yabona into zama-meta baby ngazawethi, I'm not gonna lie, labantu abaphila ngo-Facebook, it's a very tricky thing. You really need to pay attention, you know, and all of that. So akanayo income, ingane ngapha iyalintuzi yatha iyalinokubezwa indoda yakhe lesidudla yayipromotha walahlekelwa izinto makhe yabaleka le nezitho ezinkulu nesiso singaphandle. So nje it's a bit tricky. Buye ngathi bayadethola indoda enje makhe, but futhi le ndoda ibike ku-aware ukuthi ubakhe akasele ayibali ngoba isekho futhi. So yeah, please leave a comment and this is when I would say what is your comment to the situation Shame poor Maki.